The Mediterranean Sea, a rich natural resource for millions of years. The ancient heritage of civilizations and wildlife. We arrived right after midnight at Botaş Beach near Ceyhan Marine Terminal. Professor Can Bolat will be our host for almost 7 hours tonight. Marine biologist Can Bolat leads an NGO undertaking the sea turtle expedition. The project is part of the environmental investment program financed by the Baku-Tbilisi-Ceyhan Pipeline Company. Sea turtles are one of the few species so ancient that they watched the dinosaurs evolve and become extinct. Tonight, 2 green turtles are nesting on this beach. Usually, they live around 50 to 60 years and are known to return to their birthplace for nesting every couple of years. They lay an average of 115 eggs. Very few hatchlings survive to adulthood.
Türkiye'de şu anda listelenmiş bir yuvalama alanı olarak geçmiyor çalıştığımız alanlar.
These 4 beaches in the vicinity are not registered as nesting areas in Turkey. As of 21st of July, we have identified 135 nests, and this data is of crucial importance for our research.
Özellikle yeşil deniz kalkınması için çok önemli.
Tonight, the expedition team will attach a satellite transmitter to a female sea turtle. Dr. Fiona Glenn of the Marine Research Group brought the transmitter from the UK.
Well, the interesting thing using satellite telemetry is that we can see that turtles that nest in Turkey also go to the other areas of the Mediterranean. For example, we have seen turtles that nest in Cyprus in the north will go to Syria or Libya, and they will swim and feed in the waters of these countries. So this work today hopefully enables people from other countries to work in cooperation with everyone, because the Mediterranean isn't that big.
Dr. Glenn prepares the shell before she attaches the transmitter. It takes some time to clean off parasites from the surface. 24 enthusiasts from countries like Turkey, Greece, Spain and Slovakia have gathered to observe this event. They are all part of an initiative by the British Council called Connecting Futures.
They are working with EKAD group here, and they'll be staying here for 15 days, working on the turtle research all together.
Each transmitter has a lifetime of 1 year. It sends out regular data about the geographical location and depth of the sea turtle. Around 3 o'clock in the morning, a Turkish member of parliament also comes here to witness this event. An environmental advisor from the turnkey contractor Botaş for the BTC Marine Terminal was also there. Mrs. Tekinbörü, an MP from the nearby province of Adana, seemed to be very impressed with the project.
At the beginning of the new legislative year, I'd like to dedicate my first speech at Parliament to this amazing event and ask for more support for environmental projects.
Meclis kürsüsünde bunu dile getirmek istiyorum.
After a long but fascinating night, she was ready to go back to the sea. She took a deep breath and then continued on her journey.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning, and we have more people actually. We have local NGOs, national NGOs, international NGOs, local people here, and many more. And actually that's the picture we'd like to see for the success of our projects, for sustainability of our projects.
A few days later, we returned to our studio for editing. We also have been wondering where she might be on her journey now. She was the last of the 4 sea turtles on which satellite transmitters were attached. Turkey 4 already made it down to Syria, while others went to different destinations. For them, it has been a journey of 100 million years, but for us, it has just begun.
On these websites, you can track the migration routes of sea turtles. You could also support scientific research by adopting one of these fascinating creatures.